Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is our 4th episode of my lockdown series. So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup whenever I go out for evening events. Like if I go to parties or I attend some evening events, corporate events or something. This is the look I would go for. It's more smoky, more dark, and more defined, especially on my eye area and on my lip area. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so we're going to start with my primer. I'm using the No Problem Priming Water. So it's like a priming oil. So what I do is I just drop it on my face and then just rub it. I'm using a priming oil today because the foundation that I want to use today is so matte. Next to foundation, this is my Urban Decay All Nighter Liquid Foundation and I'm in the shade 3.25. Then for concealer, we're using this again, L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And then for powder, I'm using this Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to get a big brush and then I'm gonna do my brows the usual way, this brow product. And where's my brush? I have to do it really fast because my battery is dying. So my camera died, and then while I was doing my brows, my camera died. So I didn't do anything. I just charged my camera, my battery camera a bit. Okay. And then next we're going for this pigments from L'Oreal. It's also from Infallible Magic Pigment. So it's from powder to cream into powder again. This is actually for the lips, but I like using it for my eyes. And then next, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Nude Awakening palette, and I'm going to go for this darker shade, the dark red. It's like a maroon color. I'll finish my eyes later. Let's do our face first. So I'm using this Bare Minerals powder, loose powder. It's called Faux Tan Matte. I want my blush to last long, so I'm using this liquid lipstick, and then just apply dots on my face, and I have to do it really fast or else it will set on my skin quickly. For my lips, I'm going to use this Nude Stick Magnetic Matte Lip Color in Burgundy. But I don't want it to be too dark, so I'm going to add my MAC lipstick on the inside part. This is my MAC Powder Matte Kiss Lipstick, Mullet Over 314. Okay, so let's finish off the eyes. Okay, so what's left to do is using a dark brown shadow. Eyeliner. So I'm using this again, my Hyper Easy eyeliner from Maybelline, but this time I'm doing my eyeliner thicker and more bold. Then we're going to use a dark or a black, any dark or any black gel liner. So I'm using this Catrice Cosmetics 18-Hour Contour Color Eye Pencil, and I'm just going to smoke the bottom part of my eyes. This one is rather optional, but I wanted to try it just for the sake of trying it. So I'm using this number 7 Lash 30 Exceptional Definition lashes. Yeah, it's all false lashes. Okay, so we have to put on mascara just to lift, give it a little lift. Where is my mascara? Okay, here's my Kiko Milano Ultra Tech Poly Mascara. I have to put on some highlight. I'm going to get the highlights from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this color right here. Okay, so for our last step, we're going to use this Tony Moly Luminous Facial Mist just to set my whole face. Alright, so that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new with me today. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll see each other on my next video. Bye!